First, I start with 2 pumps of the Eco-Luxe liquid foundation on my hand. 1 pump would be sheer coverage, 2 pumps would be medium coverage, and 3 pumps would be full coverage. I then take my foundation brush and load both sides of it and put small dots all over the face to disperse the product. Can you face me? Once I've done that, I'll then go back with the same brush and start to blend out the product in a circular motion. What's really great about the Eco-Luxe liquid foundation is it's aloe-based, which makes it incredibly hydrating and soothing after a sunburn. In addition to that, it has lavender, chamomile, rosemary, and oregano in it, which helps soothe the skin in addition to clear up acne. I keep on blending until I've covered the face properly. And then I finish by going right over the eyes. Close your eyes for me, thank you. To use that as a primer for my eyeshadow. And just like that, step 1 is complete.